Hello guys, I'm about to take you through my wash day routine. So when I'm washing my hair often, what I like to do, or the products that I love to use often, is Shea Moisture. Today's my wash day routine, and this is how my hair looks like after taking them out of the cornrow. And so this is so unusual, and this is the first time I'm doing this. It's going to be a very pretty short video. I'm going to be taking you through the process, but not entirely through the process. And I'm going to show you how Shea Moisture, especially this product, works on my hair so perfectly well. Also my front, oh my god, I braided my hair in Ghana, and the hairdresser took everything out of my hair, my front hair. She made my forehead so bald. But let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair and I applied this deep moisturizing mousse. So I just want to pad my hair into 3 sections on each side and then let the moisturizer set in for a while, and then I'll just go and wash it, rinse it out. So let's just do that. This is how my hair looks. So feels after washing my hair. This is not an advertisement or a promo for Sheamoisture. I just love their products. Alright guys, so I'm done putting it in these little sections, and so what I'm going to do now is to wash the conditioner off, and then holla, I'm done. Thanks to Shea Moisture. Alright guys, so I'm done, and this is how my hair feels and looks like. Very clean than it was before. I still have a little more work to do with my edges, but well, it's gonna come. So this is how I wash my hair with Shea Moisture on every wash day. So a very big thank you to Shea Moisture for always making my wash day an experience worthwhile. Thank you, Shea Moisture. Bye. Also, this is not an ad, or personally I love Shea Moisture, and it makes my hair wash day so easy, and it just makes my hair really easy to handle. And so yeah, we all good thanks to Shea Moisture. I also recommend any hair cream I could use to comb my edges very fast, because it ain't looking good at all. Bye.